This is Grand Raya Restaurant. How can I help you?
Hello. I would like to make a reservation, please.
Certainly, ma'am. For what date and time?
It's gonna hold on 4th July and I'd like to make it as a dinner, so I think it's better around 7 p.m.
Great. How many people in your party?
3 adults and 2 children.
So it's 5 people in total, right?
Yes, right.
Perfect. May I have your name and contact number?
It's Cathrine.
Can you spell it for me?
Sure. Cathrine. And my contact number is 0917704453.
Perfect. We have a table for 5 people and the name is Cathrine on 4 July at 7 a.m. Is that right?
Yes, it is.
Any special request for your reservation?
I need 2 sets of children tableware and high chair if that's possible for a baby. And I prefer a quiet table, please.
Do you have any preference or allergy?
Yeah. My kids and my husband have a peanut allergy.
First, we will note that down for your reservations. Thank you for calling. We will see you soon, ma'am.
One eternity later.
Hello, ma'am. How can I help you?
Hello, I have reservation for 5 under name Cathrine.
Excellent. Let me look for your name. Yes, miss. Your name is on the list. Let me lead you to the table. Are you okay with the table?
Yes, this is perfect. I like this.
Are you okay with the table?
Yes, I like the table.
Wonderful. Make yourself comfortable, and this is our menu. Your
Thank
server
you.
will be with you in shortly.
Okay, thank you.
A few moments later.
Hello, I'm your server for today. Here is your water as a vitamin drink.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Oh yes, I think for the appetizer we'll like to share the French onion soup and seared scallop. And for my husband, he would like to order 1 chicken supreme as a main course, and my friends selects 1 portion of ribeye steak. And do you have any recommendation for me?
Sure. I like to recommend the pincered salmon. This main course is one of our restaurant delicacies.
Oh, okay, I'll take that. And
Okay.
do you have children set meal?
Yes, we have. Do you prefer chicken, beef, or seafood for the children's set meal?
My kids would like chicken, and could you tell me what included in this set meal?
Okay, it's pasta with white sauce and grilled chicken. Also broccoli and carrot on the side.
Oh, okay, I'll take it.
Okay. Okay, and for the beverage, ma'am?
Beverage. I think for tonight this will be perfect if we order 3 Grand Royal Martini
Chicken royal martini.
and 2 watermelon juice for my kids, please.
Okay, and 2 watermelon juice. Perfect. And for tonight, what do you feel for dessert, ma'am?
Dessert. I think I will take the tiramisu, 3 plate of tiramisu and a plate of New York cheesecake, and also one portion of chocolate lava cake.
Okay. Absolutely, ma'am. I will repeat your order. For the appetizer is one French onion soup and one seared scallop.
Yes.
One chicken supreme, one rib eye steak, pan-seared salmon, and two children's set meal for the main course, right?
Yes.
And for the beverage is three Grand Royal Martini and two watermelon juice. And lastly, for the dessert is 3 plate of tiramisu, a plate of New York cheesecake, and 1 plate of chocolate lava cake.
That's correct.
Anything else?
I think that's all for now.
Sure, your food will be ready soon. Enjoy your night. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.